Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut eSIM. Revolut is a digital banking app that offers a range of financial services, including mobile phone plans with eSIM technology. To get started, you need to have a compatible device, such as an iPhone or a Samsung phone that supports eSIM. You also need to have the Revolut app installed on your device and a Revolut account. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the hub, where you can find the mobile plan option. Select your country and the type of plan you want, and follow the prompts to purchase the plan. Once you have purchased the plan, go to the settings on your device. Select mobile data, and then select Add Data Plan. Scan the QR code provided by Revolut to activate the eSIM. After activating the eSIM, your device will automatically connect to the Revolut network. You can then use your device as you normally would, making calls, sending texts, and accessing the internet. One of the key benefits of using Revolut eSIM is that you can easily switch between different plans and countries, making it a great option for travelers. You can also manage your plan and track your usage directly in the Revolut app. To switch to a different plan, simply navigate to the mobile plan option in the Revolut app. Select the new plan you want, and follow the prompts to activate it. It is also important to note that Revolut eSIM is not available in all countries, so be sure to check the Revolut website for coverage and availability in your area. By following these steps, you can easily use Revolut eSIM to stay connected while traveling or to manage your mobile phone plan. With its ease of use and flexibility, Revolut eSIM is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and affordable mobile phone plan.